Hello, I'm going to be talking about pollution in this presentation. Pollution is a huge and negative impact of human activity. It is when the environment is being contaminated, often to the point where it is inhabitable to species. I'm going to be talking about three types of pollution, which are land pollution, air pollution, and water pollution. First off is land pollution, which is when waste materials from humans are littered on the Earth's surface. This can destroy resources and take up space in the environment. Out of the three types of pollution, land pollution is the least threatening, but it is still dangerous. Next up is air pollution, which is when toxic chemicals are released into the atmosphere, causing harm to organisms and making the air unbreathable. Air pollution creates thick fogs, which block the sun and kill plants because plants rely on photosynthesis and the sun to produce their own food and energy. Additionally, air pollution causes water pollution because pollutants in the atmosphere mix into the water as well, polluting the water. Last but not least, there is water pollution, which is when contaminants are brought into the water. Bodies of water that are inhabitable and water supplies that are undrinkable often result in species in the surrounding ecosystem dying. Organisms need a healthy supply of water for survival or for their habitat, and water is important for all organisms to survive, so a lack of an adequate supply causes life to disappear. Out of the three types of pollution I've talked about, water pollution is the most critical. Now I will talk about possible solutions and perhaps some resistances for these solutions. A few solutions I believe that humans can do are to recycle more so that there is less garbage in the world. We can also prevent littering to keep the environment clean, as well as prevent harm to nature. Furthermore, we can take shorter showers to lessen the large amounts of CO2 or carbon dioxide that is released into the atmosphere. Not only that, but we can lower carbon emissions, use more renewable resources rather than non-renewable resources, or preferably use biodegradable resources. I believe that these solutions can work once we get people to recognize this problem of pollution. However, I also think that there will be some resistance against these solutions because although pollution is such a major issue known worldwide, some people may not want to listen, or they do not think much about how badly our planet is affected by all the pollution. I would try to argue how impactful this human activity is and that it also affects and harms us humans. I would also try to convince them about how severe pollution can get if we continue to disregard these concerns. So this is my reducing human impact presentation. Thank you.